achieve this look, you guys. Good morning, everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to both of my Instagram and TikTok. I'm going to turn the light off so we can see the colors. Okay. So that's better, right? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning. We're going to be doing BrunnieLee. She's a YouTube content creator. I'm going to do this makeup inspired by her. So I'm going to use, well, I'm going to do my eyebrows first. I'm going to use like a dark brown color. I'm going to fill in with my brows. So as you guys see, I did one side of my face already, similar to her looks. So the yellow is not going to show as much because I'm a little bit brown skinned. So I don't have. Thank you, Bell on the Self. Thank you. So I'm just going to apply that. Good morning, TikTok. Good morning. If you guys are just coming on, please double tap for me, please. Show your girl some love. I'm going to use some Nicka K. This is Acorn. This is the concealer I use under my brows. This concealer is a little bit heavier, so that's why I apply it under my eyebrows. Come on, y'all. Double tap for me. It don't cost, it don't hurt to just tap on this screen. Tap, 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 tap. Alright, so after I apply the concealer, I'm going to use this sponge. I'm going to use the sponge to blend out this concealer. And then I'm going to use my angle brush. And go back in. That's interesting. Hold on, I'm going to screenshot that, what you just said. I'll probably put that in one of my videos tonight. Okay, y'all. Okay. I'm trying to make sure my eyebrows are even. I think they're about even. Okay. Alright, we're going to use my Ruby Kisses Madagascar Forest eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to do BrunnieLee. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Inspired makeup look. I don't know if you guys seen her on YouTube or Instagram. She does really, really good makeup. So I said, you know what? I just want to try it because I know I couldn't think of no other celebrity. And you guys didn't help me yesterday. So I said, let me just see what can I find. And her picture popped up and I searched her name. And I have done her makeup before, but I haven't recorded it. So she has done some inspiring makeup looks. So I'm using this color, it's like a yellow color, and I'm just applying it first. But once again, I'm not going to be able to see it because I'm not as, she have a lighter tone, skin tone. Mine's like a brown, mine's kind of like a mixture, but it's not going to show as much as hers in the video. So you guys just mostly going to see that green on me first. So I'm going to use this dark green here, and then I'm just going to apply it underneath. Really? Wow. Yeah, she does really good makeup. I think she did like a unicorn makeup look. So she's very creative. Because I'm wearing green today. I don't know why, but I am wearing green. Alright, so we got that out the way. So now what I'm going to do is use my Nude Me eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to get my brushes together. Okay, so I'm going to use my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use Excitement. It's kind of similar to her shadow, her eyeshadow. So I'm going to apply it here. If you guys haven't already, come on and double tap for me, please, on TikTok. Come on, come on. I see all of y'all looking, and y'all got to show your girl much more love. Tap, tap, tap that screen for me. And I'm going to use Excitement. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Felt Eyeliner pen. Oh, if you guys want to know all of the material that I'm using in today's content, go to ivyusa.com. They have all the eyeshadow palettes, the concealers, and the liner. And the lipstick as well. So I used my end point of my brow as a guide to outline, to do an outliner. And I'll just go back in and fill it in. Come on, guys, tap on that screen for me. Please like and share my live. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to use my Crystal Glow Lashes, you guys. It's called Emerald. This is I Envy newest lash line. The one I'm wearing is Emerald, so it's a little more natural. So I'm going to start applying these lashes. You guys already know, these are my favorite lash glue. Okay, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Thank you for coming on today. And I'm going to apply my lash glue on the rim of my lash. I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And then I'm going to start applying my lash. guys are just coming on, please double tap for me. Show you girls some love. I'm just pressing down the lashes. Now the fun part is we're going to use the concealer. But first we need to put some face primer on our face. It is the Hydration and Grip by I Envy. Alright, so I'm going to use the Cool Cafe by Absolute New York. This is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I'm going to apply around the outer surface, I guess that makes sense, on the outer side of my face, because it's a darker tone. And then I'm going to apply my Kiss Touch liquid foundation 332 Classic Tan. I'm going to apply that like in the inside, so I don't have to pump that much out. And then I'm going to use a lighter concealer. I'm going to use Carto. This is number 06. And I'm going to apply this under my eye. And then we're going to use my medium-sized brush, and then I'm going to use my Elf spray. I'm going to spray on my brush twice. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend out the first layer of the concealer that I applied / foundation. And I'm just going to go around and blend it in. I'm just going to take my time to blend it. I'm not going to try to rush. So it's just best to take your time and blend out that concealer. And next, I'm going to use same brush. I'm going to go back in and blend out my foundation and concealer. And I'm just going to go all the way in like that. And that's it. I didn't need a lot of foundation concealer. I just used a little bit and then blended all the way down. You know, so this is like an easy technique for me because I don't need a lot of makeup. Thank you, Miss Yvonne, for liking my live. Only thing I'm missing is some blush. And I'm going to use my Cool Cafe concealer. I'm going to use this around my lip area. So this kind of helped like shape my lips a little bit more. And then I'm going to start blending in. So I'm just blending in the concealer and everything. And this is the final look. So guys, how did I do? I'm going to go back in and put more of the excitement color, the lighter color. use a little bit more green. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy my content this morning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all platforms. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you guys in my next live. Bye.